Guys, welcome to my channel SKS Technical Life. In this video I will explain how to download VS Code for Windows 11 and how to install all the steps I will explain you and one by one. So without wasting a time, let's start the video and install first, download and then install the VS Code for Windows 10 11. Okay, so what you have to do first you have to open your Chrome browser or Google browser in our laptop, and now in search box you have to type a VS Code download for Windows. Okay, so you will see this first link, that is download VS Code Mac, Linux and Windows. Okay, so you have to click on this first link and you will redirect it to the official website. So here you can see the options for the download VS Code Studio. Okay, so you will see the download button for the Windows for 10 11 and the Mac, and so we are going to download for VS Code for Windows. So you have to click on this Windows for 10 11. Okay, you have to click on this and you will see here downloading is started. So and it will take 2 to 5 minutes as per your network speed. Wait for the downloading. Guys, you can see the downloading is completed. So now we have to install it in our system. So you have to right click on it and you will see the open option, or you can directly click on that so you can download. Installation will be start. So let me click yes, and you will see this type of pop-up. So what you have to do in first you have to check this I accept the agreements. Okay, you have to click on this and then you have to click on next, and you will see the path where this program is installing. So you don't need to change anything, just click on next, and after that you will see the name of that application. So here also you don't have to change anything, you have to click on this next button and you will see this, and here you will see the some additional checkbox and some already checked, and you will see here the create desktop icon. This is for to make the icon on the, or you want to icon on the desktop directly, so you can open it. So I need it, so I check this, and the other option is that is uncheck, which is add open with code actions to the Window Explorer file context menu. And basically this option for when we are on the file explorer or anywhere, and you want to select any file and you will right click on them and you want to open it on directly on the VS Code, so that when you right click on that file and it will show some menu, and you can see this option that is open with VS Code. So for getting that type of option in the list, and you have to check this box. Okay, so let me check this and click next, and finally you have to click on install button, and you will see installation is starting, and yes, finally started. You have to wait, and if you want to know how to install other applications, you can comment below. I will also create a video for that, so that you will not get any problem and you can install as simple without any problem or trouble. So here you will see the click finish to exit and launch VS Code. Okay, so you can check or uncheck, no problem. This is only for the when you click the finish, it will automatically open. So we are currently uncheck it and click on finish, and now if you want to check this, that VS Code is completely installed or not, you can directly search here and write VS Code and you will see the icon, you will see this. Okay, so you can directly click on this and you will you can open that application, or you will see this icon on the desktop, so you can directly double click on it and you can open it. So this is for the installation of VS Code. If you want any other application installation process, you can comment below. I will definitely create a video for that, and thank you. Have a nice day.